How to change name on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. So if you want to change the name displayed for your TikTok account, or maybe your name has changed and you want to update it, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, to change our name on TikTok, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, then navigate to your profile by selecting Profile in the bottom right of the menu. Once you're on your profile, simply select Edit Profile. And then in here, all we need to do is select Name and then enter your new desired name. Keep in mind, you are limited to changing your name on TikTok every 7 days. So once a week, you can change it. Once you've made a change to your name, go up into the top right, select Save. And then when you go back to your TikTok profile, you'll see that your name has been updated. If it's not, go ahead and close the TikTok app. Then when you open it back up and navigate to your profile, your name on TikTok should be changed. All right, so that's how you change your name on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.